Normally gaming at 1440p is really expensive, but today we're going to be taking a look at a laptop that is 1440p, high refresh rate, and is under $1,000.
And today's sponsor, Micro Center, sent it over to take a look at so you can take advantage of this awesome deal. For under $1,000, you get this awesome laptop and a bunch of other stuff that Micro Center has to offer in-store only. And one of those in-store exclusives for new customers only is the Creo the Ender 3 S1 3D printer for only $149. An absolute great buy for those looking to pick up a 3D printing hobby. Also coming in early 2024, Micro Center will be opening a new location in Charlotte. So if you haven't visited a Micro Center yet and you're near the Charlotte area, definitely keep an eye out for the grand opening. And if you want to see more laptops and the one included into today's video, check the links in the description down below for updated availability and pricing. And if you want to learn more about today's laptop and all the other laptops that Micro Center has to offer, check the links in the description down below for up-to-date availability and pricing. So big shout out again to Micro Center for sponsoring this laptop showcase. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside because I'm really excited to see what this laptop can do.
All right, Jonah, are we ready?
We're ready.
Unboxing time? Let's do this. Let's see what we get here. I'm excited.
We get a laptop.
We get a laptop, of course.
But yeah, the specs of this laptop, really awesome. RTX 4060, Ryzen 7 7735HS, a 1440p high refresh rate display, and right now, you can drop the power brick, but you can get it at Micro Center for $899.
All right, so we get a pretty good sized power brick. It ain't no Dell Alienware power brick, don't get me wrong, so it's not that big, but
it's big.
Oh my God. All right, so we are looking at a 230 watt.
Wow.
It's actually a lot of watts for the size of this. I feel like normally they'd be freaking double the size. And then the power cable that powers the actual power brick, and I guess just the laptop at this point.
It's very simple packaging for this laptop. Pretty common for Lenovo laptops. We've seen that a lot, which is fine. I mean, you get the power brick, you get the laptop, and you're good to go. Try to keep that price down by not including extras you don't really need.
Man, I'm excited to see 1440p on a laptop that's this cheap. I just feel like this is just so hard to do.
Yeah, it's a 15.6 inch display, 1440p, really nice overall build quality, and I love these Legion laptops.
And you already know what I'm gonna like.
Oh,
I'm gonna go over the ports here in a second. So we're gonna start on the right side of the laptop. We have a combo headphone jack. We have a camera lock, which is pretty cool on the side. We have a little LED indicator, a USB 3.2. On the back side of the laptop, this is hence what I really like, is a Ethernet port, USB-C PD, which is power delivery. We have a full-size HDMI port, another USB 3.2. We have another USB 3.2 that is also a power delivery port. We have the classic Lenovo rectangle port for charging, because obviously USB-C can't do that many watts. And then we have another USB-C on the side here.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And yeah, it's a pretty compact laptop, 15.6 inch. It's not massive. It's not like a really big 16-inch laptop. Heavy. And yeah, the performance for the size, really good.
So we're gonna confirm the specs once we get into Windows, but in theory, we should have the classic 7735HS from Ryzen, which is a really awesome 8-core 16-thread, and an RTX 4060.
Yep. 4060 is an 8 gig in the laptop, and should be fine for esports titles 1440p, but with you getting the new generation like 40 series GPU, you do get DLSS frame gen, which is gonna help you a lot in AAA titles to achieve high FPS at 1440p.
Look at that, we're in Windows.
Pull up that Task Manager.
In Task Manager, you can see the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS 8-core 16-thread, which we have actually found to be a really high-end laptop CPU. We have DDR5, 2 of 2, 4800 megahertz, and that came stock, which is pretty sick. So no upgrades needed, DDR5 dual channel. We have a SK Hynix 1 terabyte, I believe Gen 4. Yep. Yeah, it kind of says that in the title there. 4060 with 8 gigs of dedicated GDDR6, and then we also have our Radeon 7735HS graphics, which actually are pretty good for APU graphics. So you could even play Minecraft on the APU if you didn't want to use extra power.
But you know what's really important? A webcam test.
Yes. Jonah, get over here.
Jonah,
it is.
Get on over here.
Is this max brightness too? Can we get a little brighter?
Yeah, let's see. Can we get a little brighter?
Hi guys, this is
What's
the
up?
microphone on
Hello.
the webcam, and you guys are seeing the recording here, and we got to do the webcam test. What do you want to do this time, Jonah?
I'll let you decide.
I think we should do re. 3, 2, 1.
That's some noise suppression right there. We've seen that in a lot of laptops recently when we do this, where it actually just tanks the audio, which I would hope it would do it, just save people's eardrums on your Zoom call if you're gonna re or whatever, but
You never know.
You never know. But what we gotta see is how this thing actually performs in games. We got the finals installed, and we also have Warzone, which are gonna be 2 games that are gonna be pretty demanding, and also take advantage of this 1440p display, and we're gonna see, is this laptop good for the money? Let's get into some gaming.
All right, guys, we're playing the finals. At 1440p, we do have DLSS set to auto, and we got almost max FOV and epic settings. We have dynamic medium for a setting that I did not even get to read.
Dynamic medium.
Oh, why am I the only... Dude, why does this always happen? I'm a solo.
You're solo.
I better get some teammates pronto. Yeah, the finals at epic settings is at 1440p is asking a lot. I'm not exactly going for like super high refresh rate. I just want it to look really nice, and it is looking very crisp.
Yeah, obviously with settings and DLSS frame gen, you can easily get the 165, but we're going max here.
Yeah, so if I end up getting like a lot of lag or something like that, or I'm having trouble, you know, hitting this guy up here, then I will switch. But until
It looks
then,
like your teammate took care of him.
oh, he's
There's a
healing
lot
him.
happening.
Oh, dude, they're on my minds now. Bink. Oh, double kill. Wait, what? Oh,
He
God.
said, what?
Dude, we're going crazy. Oh, someone else has got res. Oh, and they're right here. Reload, reload, reload. Oh,
they
there's
blind?
two of them. Oh,
I'm impressed with the temps of this laptop too. GPU only at
quiet.
61C, very quiet.
yeah, this is definitely like a take note, you know, laptop right here. Take note, other laptops. Wonderful. I fell right onto a heavy with the flamethrower. Please, please, what am I doing? Not the greatest team combo, but I think we just won this actually, surprisingly. Well, we won this fight, I should say.
Cash out.
Well, good job, teammates. I take back anything bad I...
Oh,
You see.
did someone, wait, hold up. Did he just get banned? Wow, this dude got booted. He was too OP.
I know, we were clapping. That was about to be like my best game yet, score-wise.
Whoa! High refresh rate, baby.
Whoa! That's what high refresh rate looks like, guys. You wouldn't be able to see that.
Is there an invisible? Oh, God.
Oh,
Nice try.
who wants it? Oh!
They went at you.
Oh, God. Oh, not with this guy
this
doing
guy
Oh,
is.
my gosh.
Yes.
Oh, my gosh.
He's holding.
Oh, he's greening
emoting.
on him. Oh. Yep, I mean, we're going to win the first game, too. We'll take a second win.
Let's play some Warzone. All right, gamers, we are now in Warzone, which, is this 2.0 now, or is this 3? Like, what are we even in Warzone anymore? I don't really know, but we're at the 1440p resolution using the balance preset, DLSS on performance, and right now, getting about 90 plus FPS, pretty good. This is definitely, again, another very demanding game, and we're using DLSS to really help boost those FPS numbers. Will it improve my gaming performance? If I run into that guy, probably not. But we're gonna try anyways.
Jumping. I almost feel like at 1440p, like, it just feels easier to see the screen.
It does.
Like,
yeah.
it feels more playable.
The pixels, nice. Laptop 1440p, good. And especially, we're taking on like $899. Stepping up from a laptop that's around $700 or something that would have like a far less like screen and GPU. It's good to spend $899 on this laptop if you can get it at $899. That's just the shield. Ah! Yeah, buddy! This game is definitely pushing this laptop a bit more in terms of the fan noise and everything.
Yeah, you can actually hear it now.
Yeah, break that armor. You better fall. There they are.
A burst?
And I just took him out. Thanks for letting me come in and clean up, guys. I'll take that. I got a sniper rifle. I'm feeling good. No, this is a pretty calm spot.
Like, normally you kill someone, they just instantly spawn it on your head again.
Yeah, peek. Oh, are you kidding me?
I was like, I think someone just shot at him. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Turned on him.
You know what? That's good speakers right there, because I heard some feet.
More feet?
Oh! What are you doing? Oh, how did I still kill him? He just got stuck there.
Dude, he literally said,
This way. Oh!
does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
It's actually good. Good God, this one's gonna come try to. Yeah, that person, same person. They are so dirty for that.
Oh.
Well, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, That was Call of Duty, which ran really well actually, using some DLSS technology, 1440p high refresh rate. This laptop is very impressive, but we're going to compare it to other laptops we've tested here on the channel using 3D Mark, see what kind of score we get, and give our overall value proposition of this laptop, because so far, looking really good for $899.
Let's do it. Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking our Lenovo Legion and it did really well on its 1440p screen. We were able to play native resolution and everything we threw at it, and I don't think there's anything you really could throw at this that it wouldn't play, especially with the new DLSS involved. But of course, AAA titles we were able to get over 100 FPS in.
Yeah, the finals ran great. Warzone ran great as well with optimized settings at 1440p. But in terms of comparing it to other devices we reviewed here on the channel, the 3D Mark Time Spy score was a score of 10,392, which ends up being 9 cents per point, which is really solid value for the money. We knew that going in at $899, an RTX 4060 with a 1440p display and a really awesome Ryzen 7 processor. It's going to be great for gaming at 1440p, but you let us know in the comment section down below what you think of this laptop. And if you could pick it up for $899, which I highly suggest you do, check those links down below to see up-to-date prices and availability so you can pick one up today at your local Micro Center. Big shout out again to Micro Center for sponsoring today's video.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
And if you guys didn't know, we have a lot more besides the YouTube channels. You can go check out our Instagram, our Facebook, our X, and so much more.
Yes, social media links in the description down below. If you can't get up the Toasty Bros here on YouTube, we got so many more platforms to see awesome content and our other YouTube channels as well. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.